Welcome to another Toyota video of my 1991 Celica GT, and in this video I'm going to be changing the parking brake shoes. For changing the parking brake shoes is because the parking brake's not holding on one side, and I'll jack it up and then I'll show you what I mean. So with the wheels in the air, and as you should be able to see, the parking brake is on. I'll just get my keys out, fish them out of my back pocket. So look. Yep, no. Let's turn it that way to unlock. As you can see, the parking brake is on, so I shouldn't be able to turn these wheels. That one's not turning, but this one is turning. I think I did have a quick look, and the shoes, I think the lines had actually come off, so it's not just a matter of adjusting the shoes. So get some tools together and we'll get these parking brake shoes changed. So it's safely on an axle stand. I've done the old push test and that's not going anywhere. So next thing to do is get this caliper off. I'm going to pull the whole assembly out, not just the caliper. I'll remove the bracket. There's just a couple of 40mm bolts. I've just given a bit of douse of a WD-40. So with that, the disc should just come right off. I've run up the two top springs there, easy enough to do. Now I just need to get these shoes out with the pins. Toyota have kindly made a hole in the hub to facilitate this. So I don't know how this is going to go. Could be a nice easy one, or it could end not so well. But you just need a pair of needle nose pliers. Right, I think I know what I'm doing. I just need to turn. There we go, that's come out quite easily. So I need to make a note of where the various parts go. So we have this piece, this backing plate that presses against the shoe, then followed by the spring, and then followed by the cap, which helps secure the pin. So look, and the pin here is actually there's a bend in it. So I just need to do the same on the other side. Let's have a look, see if I can. Just turn it 90 degrees. These holes in the wheel are perfectly lined up to the shoe in to the pins in its final position. But what I can do, I can just turn that there. That says the pin's offset, so if I can turn it so it's lined up with the hole, and then I should be able to get this one out. It's proving a bit difficult now. It's decided to fight me. go, managed to get that out. Try not to drop the parts, and that should free off the brake shoes. So we'll to get that backing plate off. And that's freed the shoes off. Well, it's freed one of the shoes off anyway. I just need to unhook it from the parking brake. Which might be a bit easier said than done. So if I can get that bit off, that's all the springs safely removed. And there's our adjuster for when I need to adjust the shoes. That can be done when I come to adjust the brakes. I just need to get this off. It's a bit difficult. Push against this spring. I might have to do something with this handbrake cable, because that'll be my next stumbling block. But I got my new shoes. Right, I'm past the point of no return now. I broke the seal, so we'll just do a bit of a comparison. If these are wrong, I've had it, never mind. I mean, they look to be right. Let's have a look if I just remove the spring here. No idea how I'm going to get that out. In fact, I don't need to release this bit. Yep, because this right. I won't need to remove that from the cable because Toyota have conveniently put a horseshoe. I'll just take that out, and this whole thing comes off the brake shoes. So let's have a look. I should be able to use these pliers. Yep, I think I should be able to do it with the pliers I've got to hand. So just turn this round. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing. Now replacement shoes as a replacement clip. So I should be able to get that off without too much trouble. Get me here. Try my needle nose. Right, this is going to take a bit longer, so I'll do that off camera. I managed to get the shoes out. I managed to knock the clip off using a combination of a hammer, chisel and a flat bladed screwdriver. So these are replacement shoes. These are APEC, and I can confirm that 5th generation Celica are the same as 1st generation Avensis, which would be handy if you need to cross-reference the parts. I mean, for Toyota, why invent the wheel if they've already got a system that works and you use it on other models? So no need to reinvent the wheel there. So replacement shoes. They came with the clips, so hopefully they'll fit. So I've laid the assembly roughly where it should all go, barring the top and bottom springs. So that's how it all goes together. So it should be just a matter of reassembling. I always find brake shoes to be a bit awkward to work with, but I'll do that off camera. Like I said, I've got it all in the right orientation. And as you can see, you know, the shoes have got seem to have a bit more meat on them. So I'll get these fitted, and then once that's fitted, I'll just need to adjust it. There's the adjuster. I can get some copper grease on that, which will make my life easier when I come up with adjusting the parking brake. Right, something to note. If you notice, this pin's straight, but this one, it's got an offset. It's to clear the lever for the parking brake. So that's something to note very carefully when you're doing parking brakes, because otherwise, if it was straight, it'd just foul that lever for the parking brake mechanism. So I've managed to get the shoes on. So I just put the drum on, and then see if we can get these shoes adjusted. So yeah, it needs to go that way to spread the shoes out, and I've put some copper grease on, so it should be quite easy job to adjust them. Well, things have taken an interesting turn. As soon as I got to try to fit the brake disc, it wouldn't go on. So I tried every which way, and it just wasn't having it. I put the old shoes on, and the disc fitted perfectly. Thought I'll try adjusting the shoes, which I did do, but with the handbrake on, I'll show you. That's okay. Yeah, handbrake's on. The wheels, you know, the wheels turning. So I'm suspecting the cable. So I got these for nothing. I'll see if I can return them. Probably not, because I've opened them. And I'm going to have to end the video here. A bit of a fail, but I'm a bit closer to working out why this parking brake on the left's not working. I'm suspecting the cable, and I'm just hoping that it's not I don't have to drop the tank to get to the cable. Some cars are like that. You got to drop the fuel tank, because the cables are sometimes routed over the top. So that's the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed it regardless. As ever, thanks for watching, and I'll see you.